In this video, we will learn how to create a thermometer goal chart in Excel. As you can see over here in this working file, we have a project that consists of 12,000 processes in it, and we have completed 8,200 among them, and the percentage of the completion of this project is 68% that I have calculated through a formula. Now, we want to present this data in the chart form, and that too that it will look like a thermometer. So for this we have to follow some steps, so let's learn it. First we will select this data and go to the insert tab. Now over here into the bar chart we will select the stacked column chart in it. So when we select it, you can see that a chart is appear over here. Now we will remove some things from this chart. So we will click on the chart elements and remove the title and grid lines from it. I will suggest to remove the grid lines. If you want some chart title, you can put it in this chart as well. Now after doing it, you can see that we have a blank background chart over here. Now the next step is we will go to the chart design, and here into the data group we will select switch rows and column. So when we click on it, you can see that the columns are now converted into rows and our chart is look like this. When we go to this step, the next step is that we will select the upper portion of the chart, do a right click and click on format data series. So now you can see that the format data series option is appearing over here. Now the first thing we have to do is we have to make this gap width to 0. When we do it, you can see that the chart in this area has been spread to the complete axis. Now we will go and do some formatting, so we will go to the fill and line, and as we have selected the upper portion, we will make it fill to no fill, and into the border we will just create a solid line in it. So we will select a color. I will preferably use the green color in it and make the width of the border to 1 pt. Now the functioning on the upper portion is completed. Now we will select the lower portion, and over here we will make a solid fill in it, and we will select the same green color that we have selected for the upper border. So now you can see that our chart is look like that. Now we will select this chart and do some resizing in it. So I will resize it to this or a little bit smaller so that it will look like a measurement. Now you can see that our chart is mostly looking like a thermometer. So we will add a base in it. So we will go to the insert tab. In the shapes option we will select the oval and make it a little bit bigger, and we will put it into the base of this chart. Now when we put it, we have to do some formatting in it as well. So we will go to the shape format. In the shape outline we will select no outline, and into the shape fill we will select the same green color that we have used for other things. So now you can see that this chart is looking like a thermometer. In order to move it, we will select these two things together and do a right click and do grouping in it. So when we group it, now we can move this entire chart along with all its elements. So this is how we create a thermometer goal chart in Excel. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, you can get the working file of this video in the link given in the description of this video. Also, follow us on different social media to get recent updates and a lot of freebies for you. All the links are given in the description of the video for different social medias. Thank you.